Most of middle class across the world is struggling. There was a report in Atlantic News magazine some time ago when a very famous author called Neil Gabler wrote a piece in which he said, if you are asked how many people can spare $400 for an emergency without borrowing money, he said very few will have it. His article was based on a survey taken by the Federal Reserve in which a questionnaire was circulated to a lot of middle class people. 47% said they won't have $400 to spare for an emergency. In case of India, if you circulate it among the so-called middle class and the upper middle class, that is people earning up to 10 lakhs a year, very few will have this kind of money. $400 translates to 30,000 rupees. But I am very sure if you stretch it up to people up to salaries of 1 lakh a month, very few can give at the end of the month 30,000 rupees for an emergency. For people who are drawing 40,000 rupees, even 5,000 rupees becomes a very difficult thing. The pain can be graded from 5,000 to 30,000 depending on where your salary bracket is. So let's find out why. Welcome back to Be Rich. Most of the reasons why people don't have money can be traced to their habits. If you have good habits, spending habits, and then you should not have a problem for saving money. The most important habit one should have is to spend less than what you earn. If you spend less than what you earn, definitely you are going to make money. The only question is how long it is going to take to become rich. But most people never get there. This is because we cannot delay our gratification. We want instant gratification. If you want to buy something, you want to lay your hands on it immediately, even if you do not have money. Therefore, in days when consumer credit is easily available, it becomes very easy for you to discount your future earnings and satisfy your gratification immediately. If you do that, you will be far more successful. So, the following are 9 steps that you should avoid so that you are not in a position to spare 5,000 or 10,000 for an emergency. First, prepare a monthly budget. None of these kids who work in software today, even those who are married, plan a budget. They just spend at random. By the time the first 10 days are over, the paycheck is over and you are waiting for the next paycheck to come. The credit card is also a part of a paycheck payment. Basically, the first one leads to the second problem, which tends you spend more money than you make. This is because our consumer credit culture means if you have a salary of 30,000, you can get credit cards worth 2 lakhs if you are new to the job because your credit score is good. Third, this is the most dangerous thing among all kids I have seen of the middle class. They have a credit card debt. In credit card debt, the interest they charge you is anywhere between 36 to 60% depending on the type of financing you take. If you are paying bare minimum monthly charges, you are borrowing at 60%. You can do the calculations yourself. The fourth is not setting out an emergency fund. In my book, an emergency fund needs to grow, cannot sit in the bank. Therefore, I treat gold as an emergency fund. As you keep it for emergency in a bank locker, it keeps on increasing in value. Number 5, you never save for retirement. Before you know, you are in your 40s, your kids are in school, so you have to pay for their university and you have to look for a retirement. In India, as across the world, life expectancy is continuously increasing and therefore you are going to be longer in retirement than your parents or grandparents, and therefore since there is no social security, you will need money. 6, for those who do not have any hard assets, you should be taking term insurance. There is a difference between taking term insurance and life insurance. Life insurance is a bad choice. Neither are you investing your money wisely nor are you taking enough insurance cover. All you need to do is take a proper term cover for 1 crore. Something goes wrong, your family gets 1 crore. You survive, then you make the money to pay off. But if your mind will not allow you to take a loss like that, then I suggest you take a term insurance and put an equal sum in Nifty and next Nifty and allow it to run for 30 years. Every time you make a term insurance payment, you pay into a Nifty and next Nifty, you will make extraordinary returns. Number 7 is you just have one source of income or two sources if you and your spouse are working. You need to develop other sources of income. I have explained in these videos a lot of other ways, side gigs, which can help you make payment. Point number 8, you spend on luxuries you cannot afford. What is luxury depends on your salary. Eating out more than a month, going to a movie in a theater can be luxury for somebody who is around 40 to 50,000 rupees family income. For kids who are not married, a cell phone is a death knell because to keep up with your friends, you keep switching phones every year. You can definitely not afford it. So, depending on your salary bracket, what is luxury keeps changing. Finally, the ninth point, you never bother to invest yourself. You don't upgrade. You think all your learning is over once you leave college and never read a newspaper or a self help book. If you don't read at least 2 books a month or at least 1 or 2 newspapers a day, you are setting yourself to be massacred. The end will come. We do not know when, but when it comes, it will hurt. Learn to be disciplined. You can go far in life. Thank you for watching Viraj. மணி பேச்சு சேனலுக்கு உங்கள் பேராதரவுக்கு எனக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. என்னோட 2 புக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் இன்னும் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. இங்கிலீஷ் புக் அவைலபிள் ஆகணும்னா கீழே இருக்கிற வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்புங்க. எங்கள் டீம் உங்களை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. செப்டம்பர் 26ஆம் தேதியில் ஒரு சேப்பு புக்கோட தமிழாக்கம் பண்ணிட்டோம். அந்த தமிழாக்கத்தை தமிழ் புக்காக தனியாக போட்டிருக்கோம். அந்த தமிழ் புக்கு வேணுங்கிறவங்களும் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிங்கன்னா எங்கள் டீம் உங்களை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. எங்கள்கிட்ட 2 இங்கிலீஷ் புக்கும் ஒரு தமிழ் புக்கும் இருக்குது. டைரெக்டாக என்னை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணணுன்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க moneypechu@gmail.comக்கு மெயில் அனுப்பவும். If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to birichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Birich.